Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We will be doing some cool shit. We're gonna go back to things that I love, and that is, well, it's not playing video games. It's gonna be more of, well, making games. There's a saying out there. There's a difference between actually making something and playing something. And as you can see, I've not really been playing games at all on the stream, and that's something that should be like coming naturally to me. But it's not. It's not there. Not there yet. Might play some Apex later, but for now, let's do our first stream. Now, this is basically a challenge slash, well, something I need to kind of develop is actually making a game in Unreal. So I've got a book in front of me that'll basically make me go through the basics of Unreal, and then we will be, of course, breaking it down and making a game in Unreal, which is going to be an infinite runner, which is going to be the basic version of it. Now, amazingly, I do have some basics in game development before, so I will be for sure breaking that down and breaking the game down and learning more from it and trying to go through optimizing it, making it a little better, or making it my own. We will be initially using their own assets and stuff, and we'll be going through this together. Now, let's actually go to some non-copyright music, because holy shit, this is gonna be a pain in the ass. Before we go ahead and actually work on what's going on. Why is it so loud? No, on my side it's loud. Ooh yeah. Let's go some. Let's do a little bit of mixtape. Let's just do a simple mixtape. Something a bit lo-fi, something a bit more. Oh, that's not. Let's just simple. I kind of like this though. I do like this. I'm not sure if this is copyright or not, but we'll fuck around and find out. I guess we're fucking around and finding out. What's this? It's at 1% and it's still loud. I'm gonna probably just bring it down from my. I'm hoping it's fine on stream. Wow, it's really low on stream. Fuck. I'm gonna make it a bit louder on stream so that you can go ahead and actually hear it. Let's begin, shall we? Anyways, this is gonna be Unreal. I'm gonna probably keep the book to the right a bit so that, because there's a possibility that they would not like that I'm kind of sharing the book, and also the shit that I'm kind of doing with the book. But you kind of, oops, know the company. What the fuck? Hey, open again. Okay, so we're gonna be going through a book called. It's just gonna be mastering game. It must be something regarding to Unreal. Anyway, the introduction stays pretty boring shit right now. So let's technical requirements. Code files will be found in the GitHub here. So it's elevating game oh, I don't want the elevating book. Hello, what the hell? Was the elevating book there? Huh. That's the elevating book, right? Don't want the elevating book. Yeah, it's got most of the shit. Let me just go ahead and look at the terms and contents. The contents. Table of contents. So, it's got the contents that I like. Working with Unreal Engine, character class, component, blueprint setup. Interesting. Getting started with player input. Okay, that might be workable. That be input actions and stuff. So we're kind of gonna go through this kind of the book, and we're gonna see what is actually necessary, what's not. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and see, hey, what do we kind of want to do? All right, creating an Unreal 5 project, install Unreal 5, blah, 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 blueprints, or C++. Here you can choose whether C++, but in our case, we want the C++ option. Absolutely, we do. Here you can choose whether you want the project to have a high quality graphic, high performance, set this to the maximum quality. Ray tracing, here you can choose whether you want ray tracing, blah, blah, blah. I don't care about ray tracing. Our target platform. Set the option to desktop console. That's what we're gonna do. Starter content. Here you can choose whether you want starter content. Set this option to with starter content. That's usually not a good sign, but we'll fuck around with that, because usually it's better to import your own starter content because you kind of get to know what the asset pipeline is gonna look like. So I usually prefer things which do not usually use starter content, but I guess we can do that for the first time. Location and name. Where you want to keep the project and stuff. Cool. We're gonna do that. Once you've made sure all the options have been set to the intended values. Create project. This will create blah blah blah. Getting to know the Unreal Engine. We know what our Unreal Engine is gonna be. This is gonna be the viewport. This is gonna be our hierarchical view. You know what? Okay. You know what? Let's do that. Let's create a project, right? Games. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there we go. We're gonna do C++ desktop. We're gonna do Mac quality creation. Let's do. What is it? Some feature will be disabled because they're based on the actual hardware. Okay. Ray tracing off. We're gonna name this our trial based project. Why the hell would anybody make their freaking OneDrive post? Oh, shut the okay, this is irritating as shit. I'm not sure if this is my hard drive or my SSD. I think this is my hard drive, right? Disk utility. Oh, device manager? I'm hoping this will tell me. So what do we have? Disk drives. So we have 1 TB SD. That does not help because I don't know which one is my hard drive. Shit. It's my workspace SD. Can you check my properties? Oh wait, where's the Samsung? Magician. Let's see a magician. Come on, magician, baby. Show me your magic. The reason I want to keep it on the SSD is because it's gonna be. Whoa, that was. Hello? My mouse just decided I'm gonna act wild. Okay, which one? Wait, aren't you supposed to tell me what's my drive name? Yo, that's. Oh, the C drive is a TB and I've got only 300 gigs left in that. That is one of my SSDs. Well, up. Yep, that's my C drive. It's like. My Windows partitions are pain. Oh, fuck me, I hate Windows. Windows is taking most of it, isn't it? Ain't it? Yeah, it is. What? Okay, we're gonna look into that later. What are you called? Give me drop details. Yeah, the workspace F is D1. So we're gonna do workspace F because I can clean that up later on. We're gonna go into workspace. We're gonna do into a row project or DG. I'm gonna quickly delete this for now because it's not Windows delete. It's not Windows backspace. I'm coming back from Mac, so don't mind me. Shift delete. Shift delete. Oh, there we go. And we're gonna do ahead and we're gonna make a project for that. So we're gonna go ahead, select location. We're gonna call A. No. What are you doing? Why is so stupid? Okay. Unreal Engine Source. Why do I have Unreal Engine Source? Is that the Unreal Engine Source? Oh yeah, that is the source. I have absolutely no idea which one I'm using. This before they don't talk about it. We can boogie all night long. Stolen Paris. Okay, moving on. So we've got the viewport. There's going to be a hierarchy, aka the outliner. This is the Unity equivalent of that. Okay, fine. Details at the right of the screen. You'll find this is going to be your inspector. So the details will tell you exactly what all there. I hate the way it's kind of putting everything together, but at the same time, it might be a little better than Unity. One day maybe we should look into a project that'll basically change up the Unity editor or extend it. Unity editor, extend, but that's for later. That's for tools development. We will do a tools development section for sure. Content drawer, basically your asset management tools. Third person, blah blah blah. Exploring the U editor, so we can hide tabs. Okay, what is it doing? As we've seen, Unreal Editor is comprised of many windows, all of which are resizable, movable, corresponding to the hidden tab, head tab, stuck to the side, blah blah blah. Of course, these are your major cool things that you could get with a editor. Excuse me. Well, did not create a project? What's that? I mean, it should have opened by now, right? Oh wow, it is stuck. Are we taking a lot of performance though? Yeah, CPUs are 100%. No, 53. It's doing something, but it's just not telling me what. Which is a bit irksome. Right? Let's see workspace. So, why is it using the D to F? It should be using the F. Alright, there we go. I usually like to have, oh god, I hate having the task manager open because at the end of the day, it wants me to log in, doesn't it? Okay. No, open Visual Studio. That's interesting. Oh, it's loading. We're good. It's just on the other screen. Meh, who cares? It's loading in the background. We'll figure that out when I'll tell you when it's done. So the first time it will always take a little bit of time to load, even if you have an SSD, I believe. It just sucks. Either I need to update my PC or something because I'm not on an RTX PC, so it does not really like that. I think so. As you can see, NVIDIA GeForce something. So I'm still using a 1070 from my laptop, so it's going to be mostly laptop. Ooh, UE4. So we have engine symbols, we have a base project. Let's go. All right. So this is just to explore the map a little bit. Dock layout. It'll tell us, okay, play mode, pause, stop, something else over here. The green button is a play button. Alongside the other playback buttons. Once you hit play, you should be able to play the game. WASD to move. Space bar. The level of shift being played inside. Shift escape is to stop playing the level. Okay. Shift escape is to stop playing the level. So I'm guessing it's not going to be as simple as escape. You kind of jump out of the viewport and kind of view the scene around. Because I think this is. So one thing about Unreal is like because it's not intuitive like Unity for that reason, because it doesn't have like a separate scene view and a separate game view. I think the game view is the scene view, and you can just basically take out the camera while you're in the game view to kind of go ahead and see. Viewport navigation. In the previous section we mentioned viewport window allows you to visualize your level as well as manipulate your objects inside. For those of you who are like, oh my god, he's speaking too fast, you've got an option in YouTube to reduce my speed, but I will try and enunciate as much as possible. Okay, levels represent collection of objects as well as their locations, properties. The viewport window will always show you the contents and the currently selected levels, okay, which is already generated. You've got alongside third-person template. In the project in this level, you can use the four walls object in the ground, stairs, some other elevated objects to manipulate. I want to be able to make my own third-person locomotion controller, and I'm hoping that this will allow us to do that. Getting started with player input hopefully will let me work with that. Actually, Oh yeah, I'm really getting a C++ for this. Unreal Engine. Some of these books are old. I want something like this one's fun. Never mind. This is 2023. Oh, huh. We can go over this later. Introduction to multiplayer. Yeah, we can do networking basics. Yeah, this will be fun. Shader and effect. Cookbook. Oh, that'll be cool. RTX gang real time. Build standing real time VFX. No, who gives a shit. Okay. Unreal Engine 5 game developer C++ scripting. So we're just doing elevating for now. So we'll just work with that. In this case, to manipulate right mouse button, left mouse button. Okay, smooth, horizontally and vertically. I'm guessing it's just gonna go ahead. My baby's open. We're gonna go ahead and give it a bit more space. So yeah, of course you've got your right mouse button, and we can go ahead and go up and down with your keyboard. WASD and Q and E. Perfect. We can go ahead. Oh, this is not what I'm used to. So when you press the middle mouse button, it does a weird. It's not panning per se. It's a different kind of panning. I mean, it's a 2D type of panning, which is funny. Okay, right mouse button is left, right, up, down. Okay. Okay. I guess we cannot. That's one way of doing this. This might take some time. Alright. Once you play so they didn't even tell us to open up the map. That is not responding at all. Where's my content drawer? There we go. That's my content drawer. Start a content. Okay, we have content drawer. I think they have used a advanced lighting, minimal level default. Let's look at the starter map. So I'm just going to. So basically, over here is rather than scenes. Was missing, using like blah blah blah, resave correctly, start content, you know, okay, whatever. So let's, wow, that's different. Okay, I think while I am on my video encoding is taking, I guess while I'm on my thing. Okay, it's 66%. This is GPU is being used at. Jesus, come on. I mean, if you're a multi-core PC, we should be fine. This is fine. So what happens if you press play? No, this is just. What is this? Okay. What just broke? I heard of freaking. Click the simulate toolbar. Oh. Simulate toolbar. That's one way to show how to kind of go through the water. Okay, so these are a few starter text contents that's available. Different types of materials for you to kind of go under. But why is this taking so much? So let me see if I can get show FPS. Stats. Let's get the dog count, frame count here. Nah, I don't want to get the frame count here. Okay. Alright. Okay, so right now, even though I'm not simulating anything, I'm at 60 FPS. FPS, 50 FPS, which is not good. Why? Is it because like I'm also like streaming at the same time? Probably. So that means like on stream I will not be able to do a lot. That's disappointing. I mean, we'll keep it low. We'll keep it low then. Let's try looking around on another map. This is supposed to be the minimal one. We are still at 60 FPS. I think we are just locked to 60 FPS. There's nothing to simulate here, which is fine. This is your basic minimal advanced lighting. Let's simulate. Okay, that's not what we want. Stop. Play in the chain. Alright, this is your advanced lighting. I don't know what to do with this right now. They're just basically telling me, hey, we can do some advanced freaking lighting. Which is cool. As you can see over here, frame is 16 milliseconds, which is not that good, but it's not that bad either. But alright. So this is what we used to have on Nintendo, kind of. It would tell us on the debug display of the eDev. That's kind of fun. Moving on. Explore the editor. We've explored the editor. We can do WSD, view navigation, location, a vector, blah blah blah. Okay, fine. A vector to move around. So let's go ahead and actually quickly create a new map. It'll be this. Test map. Wow, that's empty as shit. That's isn't. Wait, what? So let's just start with a skybox. 1 second. Okay, never mind. The setup seems to be working, so I'm just gonna. Skylight. Well, there we go. There is something here. What do I like here? Enable snap grids, disable snap grids. Okay, cool. Let's show me up. Okay, we're gonna go with lit mode. I think this map does not have a few things here and there. So let's just go into open world, right? That's wrong. That's weird. What could we want to do here? Because this is definitely empty as shit. Can we have multiple maps in the same thing? No, we cannot. Huh, screen composition might take a shit. Stay selected. So what is kind of causing everything to be available? Light source, positional, volumetric volume, blah blah blah. Sky sphere. Okay, that's what we're looking for. SM_sky sphere. So we're gonna go to corridor, test map. We're gonna go ahead and start content. We're gonna type in SM_. Excuse me. Summon. Is it this? Yep. This is what I want. Maybe that's not how it works. Keep up. Oh. Okay, so we have a lot to kind of understand here. Cool. So tell you can just. All right, we're gonna come back and understand all this stuff. This is gonna be fun. All right, setup's working, so we shall be working on our stuff. As you can see, just loaded up the studio product as well. So we're gonna have a lot of stuff over here, which is gonna irritate me, but it's workable. We got base concept, we got source, we got target, we got base concept. Ooh, C#. Okay, so these are your build input core, we can do that. Alright, we're gonna come back to this. See you guys in a